What's BrainFizz? BrainFizz is creating, it's teaching, it's learning, it's therapy, and it's having fun. It's about passing on the baton and sharing ideas with others. It's about subscribing to the theory that you don't have to be worried or scared or even care if things go wrong. It's about distractions and escape, about not caring that the job you do you hate, or that the boss you have is an idiot, or the bills that need paid, because when you've got BrainFizz, you're immersed in an entire realm of your own creation. It's about falling so far down a rabbit hole of an idea it's fulfilling inside, and it puts on hold all the things that you have to worry about, because it's all you want to think about, and other thoughts simply become a distraction from the rabbit hole you're willing to fall deeper into. It's about trying new things with new materials and mixing and matching and trial and error and not caring if it works or not. It's about being part of a community of people all working in their own space, on their own journey, with their own ideas, and not judging or caring about who does what because you get it. Regardless of the finished result, irrespective of tools or time or ability or status, because BrainFizz happens to us all, at different times and in different ways. BrainFizz is about breaking the cycle of the humdrum, about feeding off each other's thoughts because we share, we enjoy, we understand, we get it. What's BrainFizz? It's what sneaks up in our thoughts, in our work and our dreams. It's what keeps us awake at night. It's what makes us make. It's why you're here.